Alright everyone, this is the video for this $500 PayPal credit. Thanks everyone for getting in on this. We are live. Look for top spot, gets $500 into the PayPal. We are live at 229. Got the list here, 10 entries. Michael on the top, Fred on the bottom. We need 2 dice, 5 or higher. You got 6 times to 229. Let's begin. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 times, you got Jared on the top. You must go 6. Oh, shoot. You must go 6. Good luck, wish you 229. 229. Last final roll. Top spot gets his $500 cash. Congratulations goes to spot 3, Roy. Congratulations, Roy. I'll send this out to you as soon as you send me your PayPal information. We are done at 2:30. 2:30. Congratulations, Roy. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Take care.